Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
This morning you might have got woken up a little bit early as the rain and even a little bit of some thunder and lightning began to develop earlier than expected as the rain started to arrive between 7 and 8, mainly across lower Lafayette and Acadiana, but then made its way all across the area through the morning. Most of it has come to an end now as we push into the afternoon, but we did keep the clouds around, and that made for a little bit more of a gloomy Sunday across the area. But I do think the sunshine returns heading back to the work week, and that's going to set up another hot and humid week ahead. Taking a look across the country, we had some scattered showers not only in our area, but again across a large portion of the southeast up through the Appalachian Mountains and into the Midwest, where they had some severe weather rolling through Illinois and Indiana this afternoon. Still have some severe thunderstorm warnings with that system as it heads down towards the Cincinnati area and into northern Kentucky. Also have some severe weather over towards the Washington, D.C. area in Virginia. But mainly for us, we had some of that scattered activity back across our areas. We had a little bit of an upper level to system move through during the early morning hours that produced those scattered showers and a few thunderstorms to begin the day. But you can see most of that stayed then offshore through the afternoon. Also across the northern portion of the state, they dealt with some of those scattered showers. Even a few thunderstorms still back over East Texas, but I think most of that stays to the north. But again, can't rule out a passing shower for some of our northern parishes back through Vernon, Rapides, and then into Avoyelles through the rest of this evening. But I think most of us stay dry. We just have the clouds, but a few peaks of sunshine are now beginning to make their way through some of that clouds. But as mentioned, the clouds and rain have kept temperatures on the cooler side. I was going for a high of 91 because I thought we would get some sunshine this afternoon, but with those clouds, we're only sitting at 83 right now here in Lafayette, 86 over towards Lake Charles, some upper 70s where the rain's still ongoing up towards Alexandria. But you can see over towards the west where they had a full day of sunshine, they did get those low to even mid 90s from Houston up towards College Station. So it was a warm day for those that saw the sunshine. Winds were a little brisk thanks to those storms out on the seas, but it should go relatively calm again throughout much of the work week ahead. So it looks to be not too bad to do some fishing on your Monday and through the rest of the work week. You can see through the rest of this evening, not looking too bad. The clouds will linger with us, and we could be waking up to a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow morning. But I do think we see a fair amount of sunshine through the afternoon, getting temperatures back into the lower 90s. I won't rule out one or two stray pop-up showers during the afternoon. I think maybe a little better chance from Baton Rouge down to New Orleans through the afternoon hours, then fading, pushing into the evening. We'll go 20-30% chance for the rain on your Monday. And then we pretty much repeat the same story on Tuesday, waking up to a mix of sun and clouds and then a few isolated showers during the afternoon with temperatures in the lower 90s, feeling like the triple digits. For our Wednesday, maybe a slightly better chance to see some rain to begin the day and continuing into the early afternoon, then fading through the evening, keeping another chance for some showers on Thursday. That's all because we continue to have this area of high pressure in the eastern Gulf, bringing that southerly flow. So we'll continue to have some extra moisture riding onshore through much of the work week, bringing that daily chance for some afternoon showers on our Thursday and even in the Friday. But by Friday afternoon, that high is going to begin to weaken a little bit. We see all this moisture beginning to develop in the southern Gulf of Mexico. That's what we're going to be keeping an eye on heading into next weekend as the GFS model continues to show the possibility of some tropical development trying to get going just to the south of the Louisiana Gulf Coast. Heavy rain setting up right along shore. Could be pushing onshore through late Saturday. And then in the Sunday, it does look like that system heads a little bit towards the Texas coast. Could make landfall between Houston and Corpus Christi, at least according to this one model. This is just a model. And you can see with the latest run, the circle has kind of dropped a little farther to the south. So it continues to wish-wash, but it does look like maybe the Texas coast by next weekend could be looking at a possible tropical storm or hurricane. But remember, this is just one model, and if you do see some of this going around on Facebook or social media, keep it with a grain of salt. This is still 7-8 days out, but something we will be watching, and it could bring us, as we'll be on the eastern side of this, some wet conditions for your Father's Day weekend and into the first half of the following work week, as we could see anywhere from maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches of rain with this system. But still a lot to figure out in the coming days as we continue to get a little better idea of what we could expect by next weekend. But for the rest of your Saturday, a stray shower early, but otherwise mainly mostly cloudy and muggy thanks to that moisture that we got this morning. 74 for the overnight low. And then back to a typical June day tomorrow. Hot and humid, 91, maybe a pop-up shower during the afternoon. And we'll just keep about a 20-30% chance through the afternoon. Highs in the low 90s, feeling like the upper 90s, so you're all too familiar with that. But then heading towards your Father's Day weekend, That's when we start paying attention to the tropics, and I have bumped up the rain chances. I think even here in Acadiana, we're looking at a 50-60% chance for some heavy rains heading our way.